Uncle Mark here, welcome to the channel. I'm just working on a head gasket on the car and it broke one of the exhaust manifold studs. That's a Y pipe. So I'm shocked it even broke. I'll show you in the video here, but what's interesting is it didn't have to break, I guess, if I would just spend a teeny bit more time. I'll show you what I should have done and what might be able to save you next time you have a project like this and you don't have any way to heat it. Let's take a look. So here's what the bolt looked like. It was an exhaust stud, not a Y pipe. See the new one in there now. Not exactly the same, but it's the same thread. You see the old one, it just snapped up right at the bottom. I hardly moved it. I'm shocked that it broke. I'll show you a way that if you run across this, if you just had a little bit of patience, I could have saved myself a whole bunch of time here. I didn't know it was going to snap though. Twisted it right off. So there's the nut there. How do you get it off of there? So this one actually just moved a little bit and then it stops. So back and forth, back and forth. So if you put some, whatever kind of penetrating oil you have, and then just move it just a teeny bit each way, just keep going back and forth, it's going to start moving a little more, a little more. Usually this would take like 10 minutes or so of going back and forth. For some reason, look how easy this one started to move. It's like, and I twisted it off? How is that possible? If I would have done this from the start, just moved it a little bit, tighten, untighten, tighten, untighten. Spray a little more, tighten it, untighten it, just till it starts binding, then tighten it again. I would have, because this cost me, I don't know, I wasted a good hour or more trying to fix this. And it could have been a lot worse. And look at that, it's coming off. And just remember, it twisted off and broke. That's how tight it thought it was. Look how easy it's coming off. Now normally, like I say, this process could take you 10 or 15 minutes on one. But it's going to save you a whole lot of monkeying around. At the very end of this video, there's a link to a video of fixing this on the cheap. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. I'm hoping. Take a look at what I do. Is that going to work?